Hi, I'm James Heimbach, the product manager for the testing group in the Verify stage at GitLab. And today I'll be previewing some of the work the team's going to be doing in the upcoming 14.4 milestone. You'll find a link to the 14.4 kickoff page with links to these items and the Verify stage direction page with discussion of our future work in the comments below the video. You can always reach me at jheimbach@gitlab.com or through comments on issues with the group testing label in the GitLab project. So I'm sharing my screen already, showing our 14.4 planning issue. And in this milestone, the team is going to continue our focus on reliability and performance, really related to build artifacts. One issue I want to call out is implementation of the SACS parser for the Coverterra reports. And that's what drives our test coverage visualization. In addition to a performance boost from changing this out, we're looking at this new parser to help us safely increase the size limit of the Coverterra reports today. So as you know, we often have reports that are larger than that 10 megabyte size limit, and we just can't parse them today. They upload, but they are not getting parsed. And then we've been keeping a close eye on our error budget as a team. And some of the build artifact related functionality that's recently transitioned over and that we've taken ownership of isn't as performant as we'd like. It's causing us to get into the red on our error budget. And so in 14.4, we're going to be reviewing two of those endpoints that are slower, some of our worst performers that we found, in trying to get those a little bit more performant so that we're not exceeding our error budget. One of them is this test report endpoint, and then just listing out all of the job artifacts. So we're hoping to get those cleaned up. And then in the 14.4 milestone, we're doing several pieces of research. I'm working on some better understanding of the user journey in creation and uploading of artifacts being used by testing features like JUnit.xml files and Coverterra XML files. And Gina is going to be working on validating some of our jobs to be done for a couple of our categories. So Gina, can you walk us through what you're working on and what we're hoping to learn in your research?
Yes, of course. I will share my screen. So one of the categories that we are evaluating jobs to be done for is usability testing. And that is this first point here. So I'll just jump over the research issue. We have a plan to move usability testing from minimal to viable in July of 2022. So this research effort is to prepare for that category maturity scorecard that will run for usability testing to make that move. And we'll be holding user interviews with internal GitLab folks to learn more about their motivations and their goals and any necessary steps to accomplish an outcome that's related to usability testing. And that's already begun, and we're recruiting for that. And then we'll use the insights that we find to form or validate jobs to be done, which we only have one for right now. The other thing that is going on in the UX area of this milestone is the project quality summary iterations. And we have a stretch goal of being able to design the iterations of this based on the feedback that we received from the solution validation phase previously. And this includes some various important updates to the original design that will improve the overall experience. And we're really excited to push this feature forward and to see all of the insights that come out of the research that we're doing this milestone.
Awesome, thank you, Gina. I'm excited to see the research and watch those interviews and see how users are using both review apps and our visual review tools, if at all. So that'll be fun. As always, we welcome feedback through discussion on these issues, this video, or you can always email me at jheimbach@gitlab.com about these or other issues in the testing backlog. Thanks.